Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to use my new app called Shift Happens. Shift Happens is an amazing tool which is a hospitality focused app which allows you to perform complicated tip outs so you can track these along with your earnings. So it's a tip tracker. You can also put your schedule in, so it's a scheduler which you can sync with your preferred calendar. Of course, you've got your earnings analytics. You can export your shift and tip history and so much more. So now we're going to log a shift. I'm actually going to choose cocktail server, and I will go ahead and enter the hours that I worked. I already have my hourly rate set in here. I will then enter the tips that I earned, followed by the amount of sales. I'm basing my tip calculations on gross sales. And since I've already entered my role and configured my tip out roles, and wait for it, now for the fun part, cha-ching! And there you have it. You can see all the tip out calculations right here with your net tips there as well, and all the data that you want to see in your shift history in both detailed and compact form. Now it will make more sense when we go to the home screen. You can see the data that I just entered, that shift. So now we're going to get the nuts and bolts of setting up and configuring roles, your worker roles and tip out roles, and customizing sales that you'll base those tip outs on and the percentages of tip outs. So I already have some roles in here, but I'm going to delete them so we can start fresh, and I'm going to create a role of mine called server. So I'll click on that. I want to set my default pay rate. I'll just put a figure in here. You'll put what you get paid, and then I will click add role. So now I'm going to configure the amount and type of tip outs I will do. So I'm going to tip out a server assistant. I'm going to tip out the server assistant a percentage, so I'll put in there, of the gross sales, and then I'll click add tipped out role. So now I have server with the configured tip out of server assistant. So I think I'm going to create a new role, and I'm going to call that something else. I will call that Sunny Cafe Server, because you might have different roles. I think I'm just calling it Sunny Cafe, but you get the point. I'm a server there. I make X amount. I'm going to add that role, and then I am going to add who I tip out in that role. Your manager should be able to provide you with the tip out percentages that are required at your establishment and who you tip out, what we call tipped out roles. So your role of Sunny Cafe Server tips out a food runner of 2.2% of gross sales and a host of 1.5% of gross sales. Your server role tips out a server assistant of 5% of gross sales. This is all highly customizable. You can set up multiple worker roles, multiple tipped out roles, all based on varying sales totals. In addition to seeing your shift and tip history on the calendar, you can schedule shifts. Pick your date, choose your in and out time, and there you have it. Now you can see your schedules on the calendar, and you can sync them with your preferred calendar. And from within your shift history, you can export your tip and shift data. Click export, choose your file format. You'll go ahead and export your data, and here is an example of a PDF. You can easily download and save your shift history, including your date and hours worked, your earnings, your net tips, and your tip outs. So this concludes our mini tour of Shift Happens. As you can see, it is highly customizable built for the way you work, the way you tip out, so you can see what you really earned. Shift Happens. Designed by a server, built for tip earners.